This is P.O.C. This is Merchants. That's the logo on this truck. License plate 86310 Thomas 1. This is a third-party group stalker. Yeah, that says Merchants on the side of this white Merchants building maintenance, sitting in this parking spot right here across from me in alignment while I'm sitting outside. I'm going to tell you P.O.C. in a second. This is license plate 1469660. Also engaging in P.O.C. with the state as well. This is the senior center where they pulled up. So I'm going to tell you what P.O.C. is while I'm sitting outside. A third-party group stalker whose car is parked over here, using their vehicle as a means of audible activity, stalking with activity while I'm sitting here eating, with simultaneity to my movements. They use the alarm. This is the behavioral pattern. So this is a third-party group stalker that is close enough to use their alarm for it to sound with simultaneity to what I'm doing inside, what I'm doing over here, which again the human ear cannot hear. This is monitoring conduct. The planes are flying over this venue as well. That merchant's truck was parked right here in this parking spot, sitting here for a prolonged period, the entire time I was sitting over here. The moment that I get up to document this vehicle used as a means of monitoring me with audible activity, this third party was sitting in the van the entire time, and the moment that I get up, he starts the van and he pulls up behind this truck. This truck pulls up, and understand what that is. This is light activity and crossing path. They're keeping me surrounded with light and keeping me surrounded as I begin movement, and they were parked in relevant position, inconspicuously engaging in stalking, monitoring me while the state is flying over by planes in this parking lot. As I get up to document this car over here, they turn on their vehicles and they park over here, and they get out. Oh, let me show you the alarm system, and this is monitoring conduct. They get out at and they park over here. This is light activity. This is relevant positioning. This is moving and creating that activity around me as I get up to document the use of the vehicle over here, and I'm going to read the license plate of that third party's license, using it as a means of stalking to keep me surrounded with activity while I'm sitting outside eating an orange. Right, stalking with activity the moment that I engage in the moment that I engage in a different new movement. This is a City of Ontario Public Works vehicle number 4182, again license 1469660. This is P.O.C. This is that which I remain subject to 24 hours a day, and these are third-party group stalkers. So as I'm sitting outside, using their vehicles for audible activity, using their vehicles as light activity, and in relevant positions stalking, okay, on behalf of the state. Sitting in their cars just like this, aiming headlights on me, that is the P.O.C. That is the first element, stalking with light, and stalking by entity. They are in relevant position in my path, facilitating the state that is monitoring me. This is P.O.C. while I'm sitting in the parking lot. Okay, so let's get this license plate as well. They drive over here. Oh, they're not going to understand this. They're aware of everything that I'm saying. That's how they are able to engage in stalking with activity, audible activity, visible activity, creating light activity and crossing path, using their cars. It's nighttime. This is a means of monitoring. The state is flying over. Do you see this plane up here? It's blinking. It's P.O.C. If you can see that. That is a plane flying at high elevation with blinking light. The state is monitoring while I'm sitting over here. This is between the senior center right here. This is residential apartments that I'm sitting outside of. That's the Ontario Library. This is P.O.C. I just want to document this is how the state engages in monitoring you vicariously through third-party group stalkers. And this is federal group stalking and monitoring. It is currently 7:02 p.m. It is December 23rd, 2020. That is P.O.C.